So here's example 2 from page 120. This is a triangular prism. So the first thing I want to notice is how many faces that we have. Because when you're doing surface area, you have to add up all the faces. So first I see a triangle here and a triangle there. So I have two triangles. And I have 1, 2, 3 rectangles. For the area of a triangle, we know that it's base times height divided by 2. The area of a rectangle is just length times width. So the base of my triangle is 15.2. The height is 13.2. So I get 15.2 times 13.2 divided by 2 is equal to times, not divided by, 13.2. Then I divide that one by 2, and I get 100.32. But since there's two of them, I multiply that area by 2, because there's two triangles. So I times that by 2, and it should get me right back to 200.64. 200.64. That is the area of both triangles. For the rectangles, because it's just length times width, the length of every rectangle looks to be about 96.5 centimeters, and the width looks like it's 15.2, 15.2, and for this one here it's also 15.2. So for every rectangle, the length is 96.5, and the width is 15.2. So 96 times 15.2, you get 1466.8. 1466.8, and then because there's 3 of them, I multiply that value by 3. 4,400.4. 4,400.4. The next thing I have to do is I have to add these two, because I have the area of the triangles plus the area of all the rectangles. So I add on my original 200.64. That's equal to 4,601. 4,601.04, and the units are centimeters squared. Say I wanted to figure out centimeters squared and convert that to meters squared. Well, the first thing I'd have to do is to figure out, okay, for a meter squared, that's 1 by 1 meter. So 1 meter by 1 meter is equal to 1 meter squared. For centimeters, it's going to be 100, because there's 100 centimeters in every meter. So 100 by 100 is equal to 10000 centimeters squared. So to convert, I would have to take 4,601.04 and divide it by 10,000. So 4,601.04 divided by 10,000 is equal to 0.46. So 0.46 meters squared is the same as 4,601.04 centimeters squared. And that's how you find surface area of a triangular prism.